Welcome to ABC, where study rules. Please like, share, subscribe the channel. And do not forget to hit the bell icon. Hello friends. ABCGS presents most important MCQ on Indian polity and Constitution Part 1. So let's begin.
Welcome friends, welcome to ABCGS. We will discuss Indian polity and Constitution MCQs. Question number 1. A federal structure for India was first put forward by the right answer is Act of 1935. The Government of India Act 1935 articulated three major goals: establishing a loose federal structure, achieving provincial autonomy, and safeguarding minority interests through separate electorates. The next question is, which of the following exercised the most profound influence in framing the Indian Constitution? The right answer is Government of India Act 1935. The most profound influence was exercised by Government of India Act 1935. Some features of 1935 Act was Office of Governor, power of federal judiciary, emergency powers, etc. were drawn to our Indian Constitution from this Act. The British Constitution was also inspired in our Indian Constitution. Some features were rule of law, system of single citizenship, parliamentary government. US Constitution features were also brought into our Indian Constitution, like independence of judiciary, judicial review, fundamental rights, removal of Supreme Court and High Court judges. Some features of Irish Constitution which were brought in our Indian Constitution were directive principles, method of presidential elections, nomination of members of Rajya Sabha by the President. The next question is, how does the Constitution of India describe India as? The right answer is Union of States. Question number 4. The system of judicial review originated in? The right answer is USA. What is judicial review? Judicial review is the doctrine under which legislative and executive actions are subject to review by the judiciary. Question number 5. What was the basis for constituting the Constituent Assembly of India? The right answer is the Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. The Constituent Assembly of India was elected to write the Constitution of India. The Constituent Assembly was set up while India was still under British rule. Following negotiations between Indian leaders and members of the 1946 Cabinet Mission to India from the United Kingdom. Question number 6. From the constitution of which country the provision of federation was borrowed while framing the constitution of India? The right answer is Canada. From Canadian constitution, India borrowed a quasi-federal form of government, that is, with a strong central government and the idea of residual powers. Question number 7. Who among the following was not a member of the Constituent Assembly established in July 1946? The right answer is Mahatma Gandhi. The Constituent Assembly of India was elected to write the Constitution of India. Some of its prominent members were Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Acharya J.B. Kriplani, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Srimati Sarojini Naidu, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, etc. Question number 8. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Constitution? The right answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. On 29th August 1947, the drafting committee was appointed with Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the chairman, along with 6 other members, assisted by a constitutional advisor. These 6 members were K. Munshi, Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer, N. Gopalaswamy Iyengar, B.L. Mitter, Muhammad Sadullah, and D.P. Khaitan. Constitutional advisor was Sir B.N. Rao. Question number 9. India is a republic because the right answer is the head of the state, that is, the president, is elected for a definite period. Question number 10. Who was the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly of India? The right answer is Sir B.N. Rao. Sir B.N. Rao was appointed as the constitutional advisor to the Constituent Assembly. The President of the Constituent Assembly was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Question number 11. Who was the President of the Republic of India who consistently described Indian secularism as Sarvadharma Sambhav? The right answer is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. The slogan Sarvadharma Samabhava was coined by Mahatma Gandhi in pursuit of his dream of Hindu-Muslim unity. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was the President of the Republic of India who consistently described Indian secularism as Sarvadharma Sambhav. Question number 12. Which of the following countries have an unwritten constitution? The right answer is UK. Example of some unwritten constitution countries are United Kingdom, Northern Ireland. Question number 13. The Constitution of India was adopted on, the right answer is 26th November 1949. The Constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on 26th November 1949 and came into effect on 26 January 1950. The date 26 January was chosen to commemorate the Purna Swaraj Declaration of Independence of 1930? Question number 14. The Constitution of India describes India as. The right answer is Union of States. Article 1 of the Constitution declares that India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. Question number 15. Who among the following was the President of the Constituent Assembly of India? The right answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected the President of Constituent Assembly on 11th December 1946. On 26 January 1950, the Constitution of Independent India was ratified and Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected the nation's first president. He served as the President of Constituent Assembly. Thank you for watching.
I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon.